different of phrases is doesn't make sense. Close is it makes sense. And the second
Okay.
to contain. Yeah.
Yes, either you will be wrong or you will be right. There is no other option. So you can speak. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या
It
होगा?
it does not contain a verb or subject. It contains verb or subject. Example of phrases at midnight. Example of clauses. A grandfather donated blood.
Oh, grandfather.
A grand
No, then it is full sentence, बेटा. मैंने क्या लिखा था? Where grandfather donated blood, right?
where
So
grandfather
where,
donated.
हाँ, generally sentence does not start with where. तो ये आधा sentence है ना, इसलिए where. अ लिखोगे then it is full sentence. But we have to make it clause, right, बेटा?
Okay.
देखो, students, clause is difficult. Why? Because उसमें subject भी आता है, verb भी आता है, फिर भी वो sentence नहीं है. जनरली सेंटेंस के अंदर दोनों होता है ना, सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब. तो क्लॉज का तो क्या है, सब्जेक्ट है, वर्ब है, स्टिल इट इज नॉट अ फुल सेंटेंस. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्लॉज इज डिफिकल्ट, टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रेज इज वेरी इजी. फ्रेज तो बहुत आधा सेंटेंस है ना, एट मिडनाइट, बट क्या.
Yes.
ओके, who else learnt the definitions? Someone said yes sir after.
Sir, I Inshia.
Yes, Insia, wear the scarf, sit properly, turn on the camera
Okay.
and start speaking both the definitions.
Okay. Subject. The part of the sentence which
ए
tells us
ओ बेन, ए रुको रुको बेन, फ्रेज क्लॉज बोलना है, डेफिनेशन क्या सब्जेक्ट.
what's a
What? You have to speak the definitions of phrase and clause. Why have you started speaking subject and predicate? क्या लर्न किया बेटा आपने? Tahira, wear the scarf, turn on the camera and speak the definition of phrase and clause.
yes.
Please do it today, Tahira. Tomorrow you might not be having the lecture. Please fast.
Definition.
I was speaking in Chinese.
No, sir.
Thank God. I thought my English is like Chinese. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Definitions of sorry, definitions of phrase and clause.
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, कैमरा के सामने देखो, बुक दूर रखो. मैं तो बहुत स्मार्ट हूँ.
A group of words that make seem
राइट लेफ्ट नहीं देखना है. मैंने बोला सर बहुत स्मार्ट है.
a group of words that make seem but
ताहिरा, आप स्पेसशिप में बैठे हो बेटा.
no, sir.
तो कैमरा अच्छे से रख दो, फोल्ड योर हैंड्स. Why do you want to show? Yeah, now speak. अच्छा हिचके में. Yeah, now speak.
Group, a group of words that make sense but don't does not convey complete sense or meanings are called phrase. Phrase do not have a subject or a verb.
You are right. It is not scenes, it is sense. Sense means meaning. उसका कोई meaning नहीं बनता. It does not convey complete sense. It does not convey complete meaning. Okay. What is a clause?
Plus, a group of words making some sense and
Sense.
sense and containing a subject and a verb called a clause. Clause.
Okay, you are almost right. Very good. Mute the mic. So, students, that's it. Now, everyone will wear the scarf and everyone will turn on the camera because now we are going to do letter writing. I told you, no, that chapter 3 and letter writing we will do simultaneously because we have to complete both the topics. Come on, turn on the camera, everyone, wearing the scarf properly because today we are going to do letter writing. Yesterday I gave you the format, correct? Yeah, please turn on the camera, everyone, wearing the scarf and sitting properly. See, Marine is sitting properly at proper place. Even Alina. Come on. Hold the rough book because we are just going to do letter writing. So you don't need any other book.
Reading pen. Kangi.
है इसको क्या हुआ Sheikh Marine, why your mic is on? Oh God. Sheikh Marine. Someone tell her. Her mic is on. Thank God. बेटा आपका कैमरा ऑफ हो जाएगा तो माइक ऑन हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक वो स्विच जैसा है ऊपर नीचे होता है बंद करे तो ऊपर से बाहर आए चालू करे तो come on everyone wear the scarf turn on the camera we are going to do letter writing I'm going to give you one question you have to write the letter on your own format is already given yesterday okay write the question on the new page in the rough book give the heading letter writing today's date and give the heading letter writing I'm going to speak the question you have to write the question see I have written the question in the message box open the message write the question once you finish writing the question just say yes sir and then I'll explain you how to write this letter write a letter to the mayor of your town complaining him about the bad or dirty water supply in your area write the question on the new page properly once you finish writing the question, say yes sir and your name and mute the mic. Once everyone will finish writing the question, I'll explain you how to write this letter.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Let's try to write the question.
I have written the question. That is the correct sentence.
Sorry, sir. Sir, my work is done, Maharin.
Girls, I think 2 or 3 girls have
Sir, my
finished
work is
writing. How
done.
much time will you take to write such a small question?
Sir, my work is done. Khadija. My work is done, Khadija.
Okay. Okay, now girls, please don't speak anything. Huh? My work is done, this and that. Please don't speak because now I'm going to start explaining you. See, first of all, you will write from your full name, leave one line, then you will write to. Now, here is where you have to understand. When you are writing to, that means you have to write mayor's address, no? You are sending the letter to mayor. नाउ यू विल से सर मुझे मेयर का एड्रेस तो नहीं मालूम क्योंकि मेयर की ऑफिस तो मालूम होनी चाहिए कहाँ पे है. तो मैंने आपको ट्रिक समझाई थी पर इसमें क्या आएगा मालूम है गर्ल्स. फर्स्ट व्हेन यू राइट टू यू हैव टू राइट टू इन फर्स्ट लाइन यू विल राइट मेयर ऑफ सिटी comma in the next line you will write mayor office comma then you can write any plot number any area and your city. Easy. Just you have to mention mayor office because letter में एड्रेस में सबसे पहले तो यही आना चाहिए ना मेयर ऑफिस. उसकी ऑफिस में पहुंचाना है ना लेटर तो दिमाग चलाना पड़ेगा. So mayor office comma then you can write any plot number. In the next line you can write any area. मेघाड़ी सर्कल रूपाणी सर्कल घोघा सर्कल शिशु विहार. मेयर को कहीं पे भी बिठा दो लेटर में. बाकी तो वो जहाँ पे बैठेंगे वहां भी बैठेंगे. Then in the last you will write your city's name because mayor of your town ऐसा मैंने लिखा है. तो आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो अहमदाबाद जामनगर वडोदरा पालीताना महुआ है ना. पर भावनगर लिखो तो पिन कोड आएगा 364001. Then leave one line, then you will write date, then leave one line, then you will write subject, फॉर्मेट तो पूरा लिखा है ये कल मैंने सब्जेक्ट में क्या लिखोगे कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट बैड वाटर सप्लाई खत्म एक ही लाइन देन यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग द लेटर और लेटर में ऐसा मत लिखना हेलो मेयर आई एम दिस चैटिंग नहीं करना है रिस्पेक्टेड मेयर सर आई एम XYZ living in this area I will say respected mayor sir I am Tarwani Rohan living in Goga Circle area I have written this letter to draw your attention to take your attention to complain about getting bad water supply even we are getting bad drinking water I think that the water line is mixed up with the gutter line underground so I want you to ask someone to repair the pipeline so that we don't get spoiled water or dirty water which is affecting our health children are vomiting they are getting stomach pain they are getting bad health because of the bad water and you know water is basic necessary thing in life without water we cannot live so please make sure that in some days the water line is prepared properly it is repaired and we get good water this is just example I'm giving you you can write in your own words but chatting nahi karna hai you have to write formally chalo start writing no one is going to ask me anything right now you have to start writing I will type the format in the message box no one will type anything in the message box now I'm going to give the format to from sorry from to देखो I have typed the message in the message I have written everything after writing paragraph leave one line and then you will write yours faithfully Rohan you will write your name come on start writing the letter you have 10 minutes to complete your letter writing no more than 11 minutes 11 12 minutes maximum I'll keep my mic on mute so that you don't get disturbed
Sir, we will don't write address.
I did not get your point
We will don't write address.
तो वो तो मैंने बोला बेटा अभी आप कहाँ पे थे फ्रॉम में अपना पूरा नाम लिखा फिर टू में पूरा एड्रेस लिखना है टू में एड्रेस लिखने से पहले लिखना है मेयर ऑफिस कॉमा then any plot number you have to write 123 oblique A 146 346 anything then in the next line you will write area ये एड्रेस तो मैंने समझा है कैसे लिखना है So by now you should have completed writing till the subject part. You must be writing paragraph. Come on, write fast.